Hi, this is Vizio Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix internet connection is not private in Chrome Mac. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Popular browser inform users when they are about to visit website that is not trusted. Most often it's because website is using HTTP rather than the more secure HTTPS protocol. This means the website was simply not updated to a secure connection, but there's no point in taking change, and your browser doesn't know whether it's a laziness on the part of developers or a hacking attempt. So in this video, I will show you how to fix this problem. So first of all, here's on my MacBook, I'm using Chrome as my default browsing. So I will open my Google Chrome. You can open your browser on your MacBook. So now, from here, you can go to settings by clicking on the three dots over here. Clicking on the three dots over here. You can scroll down until you find there is an option settings. You can just click on that. And from here, from your settings, you can go to privacy and security. You can just scroll down and you can just choose on security. You can just scroll down on advanced. There's an option select the NS provider. From as default, you can change to Cloudflare, but before that, I will show you. Before and after we change the DNS. Before I change the DNS provider, it's hard for me to open this website. Or after we try to open the website is can open. So now let's see after we change the DNS provider. Let's change to Cloudflare. Now we have changed it. Let's see now. It's simple, right? Now you can open the website that first we can open it before we change the DNS. It's very simple, right? So that is how to fix your internet connection is not private on your Mac. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.